Pleasant day po to everyone.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our event.
The launching of the citywide HPV DNA.
Screening to raise the standard of cervical care in the Bata City. I am Clara Zarina from CIDO, and I am with...
Before po ako mag-name reveal, first of all po, may I request everyone to give their loudest round of applause po sa lahat ng kababaihan po. Hindi lang dito sa Navotas, but in the whole world po. So, kami na po sabihin na women are the most wonderful gift ni Lord para sa mga kalalakihan. Tama po ba ako, mga kalalakihan dyan?
Wow!
So, I really believe po that the women po are very one of the strongest creation po ni Lord kasi talagang from everything po na being women, di ba? So parang isa na undermine yung kanilang strengths pero very strong po lahat ng kababaihan. Hindi lang sa Navotas but the whole world. So again, ako po ay si Lawrence Tagal, ang inyong Health Education Promotion Officer, and I believe it's a wonderful day for every women po dito sa Navotas.
Tama, Sir Lawrence, it's a beautiful day para sa women's health dito sa ating Luzon, especially today now that we are launching our citywide HPV DNA screening.
Yes, Dr. Shereen, baka yung iba nagtataka po, no? So, may ribbon po tayo. Tama ba? Yung mga guests natin, yung mga ribbon. So, alam po natin na pagka-HIV color red ribbon, pagka-breast cancer is color pink. So, Dr. Shereen, bakit po kaya teal yung ating ribbon for this event?
Yes, so as we have all noticed, meron tayong teal green ribbon na ating suot-suot ngayon, and it symbolizes calmness and hope for our awareness to fight against cervical cancer.
Yes, Dr. Shereen, and one of the thing that we want to emphasize for this day is yung prevention first, di ba? Meron nga tayong saying na prevention is better than cure, di ba? So, we started po, Dr. with the HPV vaccine po para ma-prevent yung cervical cancer. So, ayun po yung ating first step, di ba, Dr.? Pero as we go along the way, madi-discover pa natin yung ibang steps.
Yes.
Lessen po yung mga prevalence ng cases ng cervical cancer.
Exactly. And now we are building on that. We have now the HPV DNA screening, a powerful test to detect high-risk HPV, the virus that can lead to cervical cancer. So actually, it's better nga yun earlier and more accurately natin na-detect ang cervical cancer.
Yes, Doktora. And alam naman po natin, or para sa kaalaman ng lahat, it is recommended every 5 years for women ages 30 to 49 years of age po. So para at least na-monitor po natin yung cervical health ng bawat Pilipina. Right?
And the best part, Sir Lawrence, ito po ay libre dito sa ating city, sa Navotas City. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating
So yes, it's because syempre, effort ng ating city mayor together with our city administrator at sa mga kasama natin sa City Health, City Hospital, and yung ating mga ibang stakeholders. So muli po, may I request everyone, bigyan naman po natin ng malakas na palakpakan ang bawat isa. So, another po highlight of this po ng cervical cancer screening is yung tawag na pwede siyang gawing self-collection. So, syempre pag self-collection, mas may privacy, di ba? At pwede mo siyang gawin talaga na ikaw lang, di ba, Doktora?
Yes. And yung comfort, dahil ikaw nga mismo ang nagkakolect ng sample. And we are also proud to share that Navotas is the 4th city in the country na nabigyan ng COVAS 5800 system machine by our partner Roche Diagnostics Philippines. And for that, we are so grateful because so far we're the only fully functioning site. And this means our city is setting a model for advanced cervical cancer screening and prevention.
Wow, so imagine nyo, pang-fourth lang po tayo sa Philippines, di ba? So, ito talagang milestone yan, Doktora. So, syempre, di ba, hindi lang tayo nagiging role model sa ating mga barangay, but nagiging role model tayo sa buong community natin for being or actually doing this one, okay?
Yes, okay. So now to deliver the official opening statement, let us all welcome the leader of Healthy Navotas, Mayor John Reynald M. Chang.
Maraming salamat po. Happy 120th anniversary. Greetings to our friends from DOH, Mr. Manuel Mapue, from Roche, Dr. Marco Antonio Sanchez, POGS, Dr. Anna D, TMC, Dr. Karel Ong, from Caloocan CHO, Dr. Christine Lanor, Malabon CHO, Dr. Bernadette Morador, and Jose Reyes, NMC, Dr. Lily Tidoro. So we also have here, dito rin po yung Food for the Hungry. Yan po, ating partner po yan. City Health Office, Dr. Welby Fowa. And Navotas City Hospital, Dr. Rowan, Dr. Pia. Of course, all our city officials, Consel Vicentro, our barangay captains, Kagawan City officers, Dr. Madalina. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Of course, it's our anniversary, and we always like to honor the past. But aside from honoring the past, we also want to make a clear statement about our future. And our theme this year is E-Taas, Empower Navoteños in a tech-driven, accountable, adaptive, smart city. What we are launching today captures the spirit of the theme in the most meaningful way. The citywide HPV DNA screening program of Navotas. Cervical cancer is the second most common cancer among Filipino women, age 15 to 44, according to DOH. At least 12 Filipino women die every single day because of cervical cancer. 12 lives lost daily. Fortunately, the disease that is largely preventable and highly treatable when detected. Despite this, screening rates in our country remain extremely low. Only about 1% of Filipino women, tama ba daw? Okay, 1% na. Or around 540,000 out of 54 million have undergone HPV testing. That means millions of women are walking around unaware of the risk, unaware of their condition, and often finding out only when it is already too late. This is not acceptable, and this is exactly what we are changing today. By launching the citywide HPV DNA screening program, Navotas is taking a bold and decisive step. We are positioning our city as a model of national elimination for cervical cancer in the Philippines. This is not just another health initiative, it is a clear declaration that in Navotas, we act early, we act decisively, and we act with compassion. This program is part of our broader mission, Navotas Taas ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino. It also aligns with the World Health Organization's 1970-90 Global Strategy for the elimination of cervical cancer. Through this program, we aim to provide high-quality, technology-driven, and equitable healthcare for local government level. The fully automated technology into our own molecular laboratory, Navotas would no longer need to travel far, wait endlessly, or worry about affordability just to access accurate screening. In Navotas, every woman, regardless of income, background, or status, can receive the most reliable, life-saving care available. As we mark our 120th anniversary, this program represents our promise to our people, especially to our women, that no Navoteña should lose her life to a disease that we can prevent. In Navotas, high-tech healthcare is no longer a luxury. It is a right. At the end of the day, the success of this program will not be measured by the machines or the statistics alone. It will be measured by the lives saved, families kept whole, and by women who are given the chance to live healthier lives. This is what it truly means to raise the standard of care. This is what it means to be smart, accountable, and empowered city. So together, let's continue to raise the quality of life, quality of care for every Namoteño. So dun sa mga kababayan, sila ba yung kayo ba yung magte-test mamaya? Yun. Okay, marunong na ba kayo mag-self-test? Diba self-test mo? Yun, marunong na kayo? Marunong na? At tinuruan. Okay. So, madali naman. Madali. Ha? Ano naman, nagamit naman natin na tama yung test. Okay, so sana maingganyo natin yung mga kasama po natin, mga anak po natin. So, 14 to 35 to 45. So, yung mga kapitbahay natin, mga kamarites natin dyan, okay, marites nyo sa kanila sa lahat ng health center. Tama ba? So, lahat ng health center natin ay meron na tayo at pwede tayo magpa-HPV screening. Okay, dito rin yung mga barangay captain natin. So, sayang. So, libre naman to. So, sana promote natin dun sa ating flag racing. Okay, sabihan natin, siyempre dapat malaman ito ng ating mga health workers. So, disseminate nila at hopefully, makapture natin lahat ng mga ages na gusto natin makapture. Okay, para at least isang sakit na iwasan natin. So, to our partners here, those who are always helping us, DOH, and our other NGOs, maraming salamat po. And happy 120th Navotas Day po sa atin.
Thank you so much, our Honorable Mayor John Ray Chanco. So, tama naman po no, sa ating mga kababaihan na nasa likod. Self-testing, and madali naman po ito. You don't need to worry because we are guided by our health workers for the testing, and lagi naman po kami nakaantabay sa inyo sa aming mga health center.
Yes, para po ma-ensure din po talaga sa lahat na even though na self-testing po yung gagawin is properly done po para at least yung talagang data or yung diagnostic na makuha natin ay talagang accurate din naman po. So, with that, Dr.
With that, so we would like to welcome our next speaker. Navotas is a model for national elimination by Regional Director Dr. Lester Tan of the DOH, but will be read by Dr. Manuel. So let us all give him a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Isa pong masigla at kapala naman sa ating lahat. Allow me po to deliver, sir, the message of our Regional Director in Tagalog. Sa ngalan ng Department of Health Metro Manila Center for Health Development, isang karangalan po ang makikisa sa pangalang lungsod ng Navotas sa ating masisipag at magagawang pangkalusugan, mga pamunuan sa komunidad, ating mga barangay captains, ating konselar, mga kababaihan ng pagtaguyang magkalusugan, mga katuwang sa programa or partners at sa mga kasapi ng Cancer Control Network, pagtahak natin sa isang makasaysayan at makabuluhang pakbang para sa kalusugan ng ating mga kababaihan. Isa rin itong pagkakataon na kilalanin at pasalamatan ang dedikasyon at walang sawang suporta na Mayor Andre Chanco, Dr. Eric Covid, ang ating Acting City Health Officer, Dr. Rafish Chia, ating City Administrator, ang ating Philippine Congressman, kay Gynecological Society represented by Dr. Alan our country manager for Las Philippines, Sir Marco Antonio Valencia Sanchez. ating pong mga healthcare workers at molecular laboratory personnel, the Cancer Control Program Network, at of course, ang ating mga women health advocates. Maraming salamat po. Ang kalusugan ay hindi pagkakataon lamang. Ito ay bunga ng tama at matapang na desisyon, matatag na pamumuno at sama-samang paninindigan para pangalagaan ng bawat buhay. Sa araw na ito, nagtitipon tayo hindi lamang upang ilunsad ang isang serbisyong pangkalusugan, kundi upang ipahayag ang isang malinaw na paninindigan. Ang pangangalaga para sa kalusugan ng kababaihan ay napakahalaga, dapat agad gawin at dapat hindi ipagpaliban. Ang citywide HPV DNA screening sa Navotas ay isang makasaysayang hakbang, hindi lamang para sa lungsod na ito, kundi para na rin sa buong National Capital Region. Ito ay simula ng isang kinabukasan kung saan walang kababaihan ang maiiwan, kung saan ang maagang na pangangalaga ay magliligtas ng buhay at ang bawat buhay ay pinahalagahan. Nilalayo ng Cancer Control Program ng Department of Health na harapin ang lumalaking hamon ng cancer sa bansa. Sa tulong ng National Integrated Cancer Control Act at ng Universal Health Care, iniiyak ng programa na bawat Pilipino ay may karapatan sa preventive, promotive, curative, palliative, at survivorship care. Bagamat ang cervical cancer ay kayang maiwasan at magamot, marami pa rin ang kababaihan na nahihirapang makakuha ng tamang screening at agarang tulong medikal. Ang cervical cancer screening ay hindi optional. Ito ay pangunahing karapatan ng bawat kababaihan. Sa pamamagitan ng citywide HPV DNA testing, mas pinapabuti ng Navotas ang pangangalaga sa kababaihan, mas maagang matutukoy ang sakit, at mas mabilis na maibibigay ang tamang tulong, lalo na po sa mga lugar na hindi inaabot ng ating pap smear at MRI screening. Ang inisyatibong ito ay higit pa sa serbisyo medikal. Ito ay naglalatag ng isang sistemang nagsisiguro na ang kababaihan ay nasusuri, nare-refer, nagagamot, at may patuloy na suporta sa buong proseso ng pangangalaga. Pinapalakas din ito ang kaalaman at pangangailangan para sa screening at pinagtutulungan ng lahat ng partners at stakeholders ang isang layunin, ang ganap na eliminasyon ng cervical cancer. Ang Metro Manila Center for Health Development ay patuloy nagagabay sa tamang paraan ng screening at referral, sisiguraduhin ang kalidad ng serbisyo at susuportahan ang mga health workers. Palalakasin din namin ang sistema para sa mas mabilis at maayos na maasikaso ang mga pasyente at tiyakin na sumusunod tayo sa pambansang tulisiya at sa layunin ng World Health Organization, marating natin ang target na 90-70-90. Ang Navotas ang magandang halimbawa kung paano maisasalin sa totoong aksyon ang pambansang estratehiya na lokal, nakatuon sa tao at tunay na nakakatulong sa kababaihan. Hindi lang sa dami ng pagsusuri na susukat ng tagumpay, kundi sa dami ng kababaihan na ililigtas ang buhay sa pamamagitan ng maagang pagtuklas ng kapapanahon pangangalaga. Inaanyayahan ko ang lahat ng lokal na pinuno, health workers, katuwangan komunidad upang patuloy ang gawain ito at siguraduhin bawat kababaihan sa Navotas ay may access sa maayos at may kalidad na cervical cancer screening at tulong para sa kanilang kalusugan. Sama-sama, ipagpatuloy natin ang taas ng antas ng kalusugan ng kababaihan at bigyang buhay ang ating sama-samang kanindigan. Ang ating kalusugan ng kababaihan dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay ay mahalaga. At bilang patuloy po ang aming suporta sa Department of Health, kami po ngayon ay dinalaman ng isang sub-allotment advice wherein mag-donate po ang Department of Health ng DNA kits para sa lahat ng local government units sa ating rehiyon. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagsasabi niyo.
Thank you very much po, Dr. Manny. So, si Dr. Manny po yung ating DMO 5 for our city po. Okay, so, Dr. Sheena, I want to emphasize lang din po. So, yung screening, alongside with the screening, ay syempre ay yung advocacy, Dr. Hindi po mawawala yung advocacy para well-guided din naman po ang ating community para sa paano ba talaga yung tama, what are the ways to prevent, diba? So, aside from the screening, syempre, lagi nga pinupush ni Mayor yung healthy living po natin. So, yung mga choices po natin everyday, kahit sabihin natin na small choices in terms of food, exercise, malaking factor din po yun for us to have a better health po or as much as possible disease-free and body, di ba? So, Dr. Shayna, I think it's time for us to see naman. So, nakita nyo na po yung perspective ng atin as a health provider. So, syempre, let's hear from our Navoteña health advocates. So, these are the living proof that yung ating mga efforts in screening treatment. So, maybe we now first call po our patotoo, buhay na patotoo, or yung ating Navoteña health advocate. May I call po si Ma'am Arlene Policarpio. She was the one who received pre-treatment for HPV infection in our institution. Again po, Ma'am Arlene, let's give her a round of applause.
BHW ng Bagong Lipunan Health Center from Barangay San Jose. So, unang launch ko nito, kwento na ako, ay tinapangan ko kasi nung gagawin sa amin. Tapos nung finish na kami, naiyak ako kasi ako yung nag-positive. Tapos, ginayad ako ng doktor at mga nurse. Sa pag-guide sa akin, nalaman ko lahat is up to date kung magiging positive siya. 10 years, maaga ko siyang nalaman. Salamat sa health office, mga health, mga doktor. At na-trace agad. At thanks God kasi nag-abot na siya. Ngayon, ako na yung tumatay kung nagkaka-counsel at tumutulong. Dahil alam ko yung nararamdaman ng mga nag-test na nag-positive. Kaya ginagay ko na yung mga tulad ko na lahat ay masusolve dito sa Navotas. Guide naman tayo lahat ng mga doktor at nurse. At lahat naman po ay ibibigay kasi kakabahan sa sobrang takot mo, hindi mo na alam kung ano gagawin mo eh. Nung na-treat na, okay na ako. After 1 year, babalik ka uli para matreat uli. Na-test na, negative na lahat. Salamat sa health kasi meron tayong treatment na pwedeng gumamot at after 10 years na dapat sakit siya na pagdudusahan ng mga babae, maaga natin makikita at mapapagaling tayo. Meron, marami rin po tayo kasing malalaman na well-guide po tayo lahat. Kaya hinihikayat po ang lahat ng mga kababaihan kasi kahit dalaga dahil kala natin sa sex to, hindi Sa panahon natin ngayon, hindi na natin masasabi yun. Kasi meron kaming kasama, meron ako na-interview, dalaga siya. Single. Meron siya. Pero, syempre, kailangan lahat tayo, mga kababaihan, importante tayo. Sa future, sa mga anak natin, kailangan natin maging malakas. At salamat sa health. At okay na ako. At marami pang mapapagaling. Kaya lahat ng babae, dalaga, nanay, pumunta na po tayo sa health center. Meron po tayo, libre lang po siya. Mahal po siya sa private, pero sa atin, sa Navotas, wala pong bayad lahat. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Arlene. So,
Grabe, very heartfelt ang message ni Ma'am. Naramdaman naman po natin lahat yun. Tama po ba?
Yeah, so, kailan sabi ko kanina, medyo cliche na, pero talagang it's really prevention is better than cure. So, nabanggit ni Ma'am, 10 years na sakit, di ba? Pero with the proper advocacy, proper screening,
Proper
lahat yun.
guidance of
Yeah,
everyone.
guidance, lahat po yun ay talagang may iwasan po natin. No? So as we move forward po, may I call po the proud mother of one of our recipients of HPV vaccine, Ma'am Lorena Reyes.
Let's give her a round of applause.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Lorela Reyes from Barangay MBBN, PHW po. Tulad po ng mga karamihan po sa ating mga magulang, ang pinakamahalaga sa atin bilang isang ina at kalusugan at kinabukasan ng ating mga anak. Kaya po nung malaman ko na may libreng HPV vaccine ang ating City Health ng Navotas para sa ating mga batang babae na may edad 9 to 19 years old, ay agad kong pinabakunahan ang aking anak. Ang anak ko po ay nabakunahan ng 2 dose ng HPV vaccine, kaya lubos po akong nagpapasalamat sa City Health ng Navotas. Dahil isa po ang anak ko sa mapalad at maayos na nabakunahan ng ganitong uri ng protection para sa kinabukasan at kalusugan ng ating mga anak. As of now, ayon po sa anak ko, wala naman po naging side effect po sa kanya. Ngayon po, panatag na po ang loob ko at protektado na ang aking anak laban sa anti-cervical cancer. At para po sa ibang mga magulang, hihikayat ko po kayo na pabakunahan po ninyo ang inyong mga anak sa ating suportahan ng programang ito at sa bawat bakuna ay isang hakbang tungo sa mas ligtas at mabuting kalusugan at kinabukasan ng ating mga anak. At sa mga batang babae na may edad 9 to 14 years old, pabakunahan po natin sila para sa kanilang kinabukasan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much po, ma'am. So, nakita niyo po, di ba? So, meron po tayong advocacy, meron tayong screening, at syempre meron tayong vaccination. Di ba? So, napaka-important po. Actually, taking one on the other side, pero hindi lang naman yun sa cervical cancer. Marami rin po sa health na talagang na-prevent yung certain disease because of the vaccination. No? So, nakita po natin yung importance ng advocacy, screening, and vaccination. Okay?
Now we call on our very own to share the citywide testing, the operational roadmap. Please welcome Dr. Eric David, our acting City Health Officer.
Thank you, Dr. Charina and Sir Lawrence. Of course, magandang umaga po sa lahat. Of course, sa ating po Mayor Jan, sa ating po City Administrator, Dr. Chris Pat, sa ating pong guest from NMCST, headed by Doc Manny, Sir Bart, and hindi po si Doc Ara. Of course, sa ating pong partner, General Manager po ng Roche, Doc Marco, welcome po. Of course, sa ating pong mga barangay captain na nandito, hindi ko na po mag-isa-isa pa. Then, yung representative po from Polks, Dr. Ana Eco. Then, yung mga hospitals po na affiliated partner po natin. Katulad po ni DMC, nandiyan po si Dr. Ong. Of course, sa JR, Dr. Andara. Then, of course, our very own, our Navotas City Hospital, Dr. Roan, saka Dr. Pia. Of course, sa lahat po ng health staff na nandito. Of course, sa ating po mga kababaihan, alay po ito sa ating po, di ba? Sinaselebrate po natin yung half-month long na Navotas Day celebration po natin. Kaya part po ito. Ito po yung alay sa kababaihan, ang health, kalusugan ng ating mga kababaihan. Today po, yung roadmap po kasi, napaka-importante kasi regarding dito sa cervical cancer elimination natin. Of course, cervical cancer, di ba, preventable na pa siya, although talagang yung incidence niya, second most common cancer po sa kababaihan, pero ang kagandahan, there is a prevention. Prevention through vaccination, prevention through screening. Of course, using yung high-performing HPV DNA testing. Of course, very thankful to Roche for giving us access program. Presently, we are utilizing the COBAS 5800 machine. Of course, for the local cervical cancer roadmap, 2026 up to 2030, of course, very important is the local commitment. We should reaffirm our local stakeholder commitment and address implementation challenges. Di ba? Dapat sa mga sarili natin, yung tawag dito, yung commitment natin para pagtulong-tulungan natin na hindi lang sa testing, sa vaccination, saka sa treatment, holistic talaga. Mapagtulong-tulungan natin yung pag-eliminate ng cervical cancer, hindi lang po dito sa atin sa Navotas, sa ating pong District 1, kundi po sa Pilipinas and globally. Of course, second po, yung balance action. May policy tayo, of course, dapat may equal na practical action. Then, of course, we are following the WHO, World Health Organization, strategy na 90-70-90. 90% mabakunahan for vaccination, 70% for screening, using yung 70% ko kasi dito yung using high-performing HPV DNA testing. Then yung another 90, once positive sa HPV DNA, 90% of course, dapat mabigyan natin ng early, timely treatment. Then for the best practices, of course, we are doing now in the Navotas yung doble cancer prevention. Meaning, we are advocating the mother to undergo HPV DNA testing, as well their children 9 to 14 years old to have HPV vaccination. Tawag dito, veteran kami, doble program for cancer prevention. Back to back. Thank you. Then, for the HPV DNA test, siyempre yung framework, of course, nandito po yung mga masisipag natin konsyal. Of course, kailangan din namin ng policy or resolution policy para for the institutionalization of cervical cancer program. Focusing, of course, on prevention, using screening, vaccination, and of course, yung treatment if ever na mag-turn positive. Next slide. Ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina, even nung COVID time 2021, actively po si Navotas, of course, using yung ano natin, yung VIA sa pap smear. Then 2023, June 2023, nag-intensify po tayo. Of course, with our partner, Success and Clams. We use the high-performing HPV DNA testing na up to now, talagang yung pag-budget, nagpo-procure din po tayo ang LGU po natin ng bakuna for HPV. Aside from dinodonate po ng Department of Health. Of course, yung testing natin, very thankful po tayo sa Roche for the access program. We are utilizing their COBAS 5800 machine. Next slide. Of course, ito po yung sinabi ko kanina, ito po yung strategic goal ni WHO na dapat natin sundan. Yung first 90%, of course, yung fully immunized. Dapat yung kabataan natin, before reaching the 15 years old, mapakunahan na po natin ng HPV. Presently, sa Navotas, nakaka 33.11% na po tayo. Then, yung susunod na 70%, Ito po yung testing, yung high performance testing. Hindi po kasama yung GIE saka yung pap smear. Basically, HPV DNA po to. Yung 35 to 45 or to 50 years old. Target natin 70, nakaka 24.96% na po tayo. Of course, dun sa mga nag-positive po natin, diba? Presently, meron na tayong three facilities na thermal ablation, namely na North Bay Boulevard North Health Center, bagong dito ng health center, of course, the Bato City Hospital. Yung timely treatment kasi napaka-importante. Out of dun sa lahat na nag-positive natin, 82% po nito na mamalins naman na natin-treat natin timely. Next slide. Of course, yung moving forward natin, yun nga po, mga konsehal, Vice, of course, yung ano natin, yung city resolution or ordinance regarding mapalakas po natin yung cervical cancer program natin, institutionalization po sana. Then sa part naman po ng universal health, saka sa PhilHealth, of course, yung UHC kasi natin, di ba, isang pillars natin doon, yung service delivery. Service delivery, more on under yung health education natin, yung HEPO. Napaka-importante po kasi na malaman na may ganito tayong programa na anong gagawin ng ating mga kababaihan. Available po itong mga test na to sa ating pong local health center. Of course, yung research po, kailangan po kasi talaga continuous yung research program. Ito po talaga yung bilin po ni Dr. Criska, kaya palakasin po natin. Of course, yung networking po, papasalamat po kami sa City Health Officer ng Malabon, Dr. Abadep. Thank you po. Yung representative po na Doc Anton, saka ni Dr. Fernando, Valenzuela and Caloocan respectively. Kumangapil din po kami sa inyo. Hindi na po sa Labotas. Pwede rin po tayo from Malabon, Valenzuela and Caloocan na magpa-test po. Gamitin po, of course, yung Cobas 5800 po natin na deleted access program po ng Roche. Of course, hindi ko na po pahabain pa. Muli, maraming salamat po at itaas pa po natin ang antas ng kalusugan, of course, ng mga kababaihan. Hindi lang po dito sa aming bayan ng Labotas, kundi dito sa Karatig City po namin, Lungsod, Malabon, Valenzuela at Caloocan. Muli, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Dr. Eric. So, makita po natin yung ating parang plans and roadmap for elimination of cervical cancer po. No? So, syempre po, parang ako feeling ko, Dr. Sherine, napaka-blessed po mga Naboteño to have these stakeholders na talagang really show their support in terms of bettering po the health status of the Naboteños. No? So, next po, we have our partnership message from Roche Diagnostics Philippines to be delivered by Dr. Marco Antonio Valencia Sanchez.
Hello everyone, good morning, and thank you so much for inviting us to this very important event. Before I get started with the message, I would like to acknowledge some people here. I do not have the privileged memory of Dr. David Eric, so I will read a few people here. It takes a village to put together a program like this and a session like this, so please allow me to acknowledge a few people here. First of all, Honorable City Mayor John Reynolds Tianto, City Administrator Dr. Cristina Pavolina, Acting Chief of Health Program DOH, Dr. Ara Durao. Development Manager Officer DOH, Dr. Manuel Macue, and Cancer Program Coordinator DOH, Ms. Chris Salu Navarro. Also from DOH, Dr. Carbonell, and Acting City Health Officer Dr. Eddie David, who just spoke. Then also Dr. Ana Di Echo of the Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society, and our esteemed partner from Jibeco, Dr. Lily May Cole from Jose Reyes Memorial Medical Center, and Dr. Eliwet Valencia, and Dr. Carol Ong from Tondo Medical Center. Also Health Cancer Program Coordinators from Malabon, Valenzuela, and Caloocan. Our Navotas City Councilors, barangay officials, health advocates, and most importantly, the women and families of Navotas. Isang mapagpalang umaga sa inyong lahat. Today is more than a ceremonial launch. I'm extremely pleased to be here because to me this is extremely meaningful. This is something that really puts a dent on cancer. Let's make no mistake about it. This is extremely meaningful. Cervical cancer is one of the very, very few cancers in the world that can actually be prevented. So through technology, we have this opportunity now. And I am so excited to see Navotas City seizing this opportunity to prevent this killer that can be stopped, because that's what cervical cancer is. Now, this is a statement of leadership, because it's about stopping a killer of our women, for the most part, in Navotas. We are not simply launching a cervical cancer screening program, and as Mayor John Reynolds said, we are witnessing Navotas taking a decisive step forward to stop this disease. It's a definitive stand against a disease that is as preventable as it is tragic. So for too long, cervical cancer has taken lives quietly, often too late, undetected. There is no way to know physically that somebody is at risk of having cervical cancer. No way. By the time it's felt physically, it's too late, usually. However, with technology now we have a chance to revert that and stop it right on its tracks before it even becomes a disease. So through this public-private partnership, Navotas is bridging the gap between local service and world-class diagnostic standards by transitioning to HPV DNA screening. We're fundamentally shifting our focus from detection to prevention. We're not just increasing the volume of screenings, we're elevating the standard of care. What does this mean? If we think about the current technology used worldwide, for the most part now, to screen for cervical cancer, is close to 100 years old. 100 years old. So it's about time we bring new technology at the forefront of healthcare in the world to Navotas to save every woman's life and stop this killing. It's as simple as that. So this is what leadership looks like, acting decisively through people for people. Roche is proud to stand beside Navotas in this journey and to support the World Health Organization's 1979 goals by helping turn a global ambition into local action. We're incredibly proud to empower this initiative with our TOTAS 1500 system. This is really a world-class system here. You're going to have in Navotas what leading healthcare institutions have around the world. Second to none, bar none. This is true bleeding edge standard of care that is coming to Navotas City. And may I just say, we're talking about HPV now, but this system can help fight other diseases while you're fighting HPV. It can run tests for a multitude of other ailments that can also be stopped and prevented, such as HIV, tuberculosis, and many others that are the focus of the DOH as well. So you're not bringing a simple one-stop solution here. You're bringing a powerhouse that can help you as you engage in the future with new technology to stop many different diseases and illnesses. Now, by adopting these high-performance molecular diagnostics, we're moving from reactive treatment to proactive protection of cervical cancer. It was already said before, it's much better than to treat. Identifying risk earlier and with greater accuracy than ever before. So through this technology, we're ensuring that a mother, a daughter, a sister in Nabotas receive the same standard of excellent care as in any leading capital in the world. Now, technology is not a silver bullet, right? Technology is just a tool that will help you get to the eradication, prevention of cervical cancer. The success of this program lies on the human DNA of this partnership. It lives in the political will of Mayor Tiangco and the city government. It lives in the clinical expertise of the POCS doctors and the vision and support of the DOH. Most importantly, it lives in the Naboteñan health advocates who will walk the streets to encourage the neighbors to really make use of this program, to take advantage of this program. So Roche is not just a provider. We're here as your long-term partner. We are committed to the sustainability long-term of this program, the excellence of training, and the realization of the operational roadmap led by Dr. David. Our shared goal is a future where no woman in Nabotas dies ever from cervical cancer. So in a few moments, we will cut the ribbon of a new chapter for public health. As we sign our pledge of commitment, let us remember every sample process and every result delivered represents a life saved, a family kept whole, and a future secured. Let us make Nabotas a model for cervical cancer elimination, not only for Metro Manila, for the entire Philippines. Together, let's eliminate cervical cancer. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang mga kababaihan ang Nabotas.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sanchez, for emphasizing the importance of our partnership as well as, as a woman, I feel safe and protected now that we have this technology. So we feel grateful for this partnership.
Okay, so
So now may we call on from the Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society, Dr. Ana Victoria B. Eco, Board Member, POCS Chair and Committee on Women's Cancer. May we give her a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone, and with special acknowledgement to the key persons involved in this activity, Nabotas Mayor, Honorable John Reynaldo Tiangco, Dr. Manuel Macoy, the DOH Development Officer, and Dr. Marco Antonio Valencia Sanchez, the Country Manager of Roche. I am Dr. Ana Victoria T. Echo, the Chair of the Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society Committee on Women's Cancer. And I am here to represent our President, Dr. Hazel Sean Rayel. So cervical cancer is the most common gynecologic cancer in the Philippines that impacts the lives of patients, families, and the healthcare system. The problem needs to be addressed, especially because it is a preventable disease. And thus, we'd like to congratulate Nabotas City for this milestone of being able to conduct cervical cancer screening using the ideal screening tool, which is the primary HPV test. So this screening method has been the preferred method as recommended by the Department of Health as well as the World Health Organization. Last March 2025, the primary HPV testing has already been approved by the HTAC, or the Health Technology Assessment Council, and is already under the formulary for diagnostics and medical equipment, and this is supposed to make HPV testing more affordable. However, we are still waiting for the IRR for its implementation, And so, as of now, the cost of this screening method remains to be prohibitive, and as such, is still not widely used nationwide. So it really impresses us that Navotas City is able to make this screening tool available to its community. POGS, especially now with the Committee of Women's Cancer, it's a new committee, is giving its full support and commitment to partner with Navotas City in whatever way we can in your mission towards achieving the WHO Global Strategy for Cervical Cancer Elimination. We extend our willingness to participate in all your activities to promote prevention and early detection of cervical cancer. Again, congratulations to Navotas City, and we do hope that this program will serve as a model for other cities, and hopefully soon the primary HPV testing will become available and affordable nationwide. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you very much, Dr. Echo. So, grabe, Doktora, hearing those words from our partners, from our leaders, talagang ramdam natin na nag-level up po talaga yung ating laban against cervical cancer. Tama, Doktora?
Yes, very on point and on theme. Itaas, diba?
Oo, di ba? So parang as Navoteños, talagang isang disease na po or isang sakit na po yung talagang kaya nating labanan ng talagang taas noo. Kaya namin to, di ba? So, talagang napakaganda kasi dami po nating natutunan, dami nating nalaman, di ba? Sa Navoteño, hindi lang sa advocacy, hindi lang sa screening, at meron din tayong treatment and gaya ng mga vaccination na talagang bala natin in fight against cervical cancer.
It makes me very proud to be a Navoteña.
Okay, for our closing remarks, tinatawagan ko po ang ating City Administrator, Dr. Cristia S. Padolina.
Pleasant good morning to everyone. Lalo na po yung ating mga pasyente pupunta ngayon at magsa-self-testing at ilo-load natin sa ating laboratory across the street being managed by our Chief Pathologist, Dr. Kowa. So, as I've said, closing remarks are always for gratitude. And those gratitude has to be given to all the advocates for cervical cancer. Not because it's an isolated disease, but because we care for all women in the community. And we need to start somewhere. And that somewhere is Navotas. Because in Navotas, we found a leader that is able to pursue goals that goes beyond specific issues and operational concerns. So, first off, let me call now Mayor John Ray Chanco to lead the commitment. After all the stakeholders have read their commitment, we will cross the street and paste this commitment slide on our commitment board, and they will sign on them. So, Mayor John Ray Chanco.
Okay. So I pledge to institutionalize the citywide HPV DNA screening program as a permanent legacy of our 120th year, ensuring health equity becomes a basic right for every Navoteño. Thank you.
Next, may we call on the representatives of our city councilors to stand up.
It is important that policies are set, and that would be the role of our Sangguniang Panglungsod together with the Vice Mayor and our councilor.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of our Sangguniang Panglungsod members, we pledge our full legislative support to the Angat Kalusugan ng Kababayan Initiative, ensuring that cervical care is accessible to every barangay in our city.
Thank you po, Patsy.
We call on Dr. Eric David to please read.
Pivotal in this one is the City Health Officer work, because it is represented by Dr. Nagayo. You could all both come in for reading of the commitment, because it is important that you spearhead ika nga pinagtitipon sa City Health Office. Go ahead.
Thank you, Dr. In behalf of the whole of the City Health Office, I commit to leading the operational roadmap that leads no woman behind utilizing our new high-performance molecular diagnostics to provide accurate, life-saving screening at the community level.
Next, may we call on the City Health Officers of Kamanava.
Being in Kamanava, the NCR, we realize that the population is just within us. And it is important for us to have networking. So we have extended to the Kamanava City Health Officers that they could send self-sampling for diagnostic and processing here in the city of Navotas.
We stand in solidarity with Navotas, pledging to learn and collectively work toward a cervical cancer-free Kamanava region.
Thank you very much to our CHO.
Now, may we call on Navotas City Hospital as represented by Dr. Joanne. And Dr. Pia.
The head of the Department of OBGYN, the Navotas City Hospital, has just been approved as a secondary level hospital. And therefore, our expectation is they will be able to handle that part of screening and prevention, and if needed, refer to our tertiary care.
On behalf of Navotas City Hospital, we pledge to provide compassionate, high-quality follow-up care for every patient identified through this screening program, closing the loop from detection to successful treatment.
Thank you, Dr. Pia. Next, we have a representative from the Barangay Captains of Navotas.
Sino ba ang magsusunod sa komunidad kung hindi ang barangay captain?
Good morning po. In behalf of all the Punong Barangay of Navotas City, we commit to bring the HPV DNA screening program directly to our doorsteps, ensuring that no Navateña is left behind in our journey toward the cervical cancer-free city. Thank you.
Thank you. And now let us call on the Navoteña Health Advocates.
I pledge to raise my voice to break the stigma and encourage every woman in Navotas to take advantage of this life-saving screening technology because our health is our future.
Maraming pong salamat. Alam natin na dapat i-empower po ang mga kababaihan to take charge of their health. And it starts with us.
Next, we have our partner, DOH, Metro Manila Center for Health Development, Dr. Manuel Manco.
We from the Department of Health, Metro Manila Center for Health Development, pledge our full support to the Navotas City pioneers of the centralized laboratory model for HPV screening, serving as a beacon for other LGUs to follow.
Hindi po namin kakalimutan ang mga DOH na bibigyan po ng test kits. Ito naman.
Next, from Condor Medical Center, ito si Reyes Memorial Medical Center.
Alam nyo sa UHC, sa HCPN, kailangan po may networking ang mga healthcare facilities. So, kami po ay tumatanaw sa Tondo Medical Center at saka sa Jose Reyes para sapuhin po yung mga nakukuha at detect early or late stage so that they would have a holistic care. Thank you very much, Dr. Cole and Dr. Karel Ong. You may now read your pledge.
As federal partners, we pledge to provide specialized medical excellence in the Montañas, requiring advanced care, ensuring the global and national goals are fully realized.
Maraming po salamat.
Next, we call on Paul Spa, yung grant pledge of God.
Morning. We, the Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society, pledge our clinical expertise and guidance to ensure that Navotas maintains the highest medical standards in cervical care and screening.
And now, our private partners, Jubaito, Philippines.
Good morning. I'm from Japaito, and we at Japaito commit to sharing our global expertise priorities in women's health to help Navotas strengthen its health systems and achieve sustainable citywide screening coverage.
Thank you, Dr. Betty.
Next, we call on MSD Philippines.
Okay, so the success program, hindi po matatawanan, kasama po tayo sa pilot study na kung saan they did the HPV DNA testing in the community. Para